Hello everybody, I'm Julia. Today I'm going to unbox the latest F150 Air2 Ultra together with you. F150 has dedicated to create rugged phones that integrate aesthetic appeal and durability. And this latest member of our rugged phone lineup innovatively challenges the traditional design of rugged phones with its 8.55mm thickness, bringing fresh choice for all you outdoor lovers. So, before we get on to more details, here's a quick rundown of its specifications. Here we see the Air2 Ultra is packed in a flat square box containing not only the phone, but also the 65-watt charger, the USB-C cable, and a user's manual. Innovation is an essential concept of the Air2 Ultra's design language. The thickness of 8.55mm makes it the thinnest rugged phone in 2024, with a weight of 230 grams only. The 0.65mm flexible AMOLED screen and 2600 nits peak brightness offer higher strength and stunning clarity. The 1920Hz high-frequency PWM protects your eye from fatigue, while the 120Hz refresh rate delivers incredibly smooth scrolling. A 32-megapixel front camera sits on the punch hole and an in-display fingerprint reader near the button. Actually, this is the debut of in-display fingerprint unlock in rugged phones. This octagonal-shaped equipment is surrounded by a 1.6mm ultra-thin carbon-edged carbon fiber bezel, whose special material effectively contributes to the lightweight and durability. The power key and the volume buttons are located on the right and left side, respectively, with vivid orange color, which differs from the main body black color. The 6 metal nails on both sides add to the robustness of the Air2 Ultra. On the bottom, there are the USB-C port, the microphone, and the loudspeaker. No waterproof plug is set here, so that greater convenience is realized while an equally excellent water resistance is promised. The stylish fighter jet turbofan-inspired rugged phone is available in two colors, jet black and titanium gray. Both are metal-backed in a smooth texture. The unique camera assembly forms an important feature of the Air2 Ultra. A 108-megapixel rear main camera and a 64-megapixel autofocus night vision camera make up a turbofan-like camera bump. The OWLMAGE function allows every explorer to capture your story, even in absolute darkness. And the stabilization is secured as well. The 20-meter capture range of it stands out among a bunch of major players. There are also the iconic alarm lights in a turbofan design surrounding the cameras, with 8 LEDs on each side. The Air2 Ultra is designed with materials and circuits that ensure normal operation in extreme temperatures or unexpected accidents. It functions well at temperatures as low as -20 degrees and as high as 70 degrees, withstands drop from up to 1.5 meters, and survives under still clear water at 6 meters for 24 hours. For anyone who likes to explore the wild or has to work in outdoor environment, Air2 Ultra is able to power up with its 5000 mAh battery and 65-watt fast charging. And the 512G storage provide enough space for you to support your outdoor memories. The Air2 Ultra is made to be the world's thinnest rugged smartphone. It is the first rugged phone to hold an in-display fingerprint unlock, the first one to adopt a flexible AMOLED display, and the first one to install the OWLMAGE system on it. All in all, we hope the innovation of the F150 Air2 Ultra brings you a brand new experience with the rugged phone.